BMW Manufacturing achieved another milestone on June 4th with the production of the 5 millionth BMW built in the United States. The historic vehicle is a Toronto red metallic BMW X5 M Competition equipped with a 617 horsepower M TwinPower Turbo V-8 engine, Silverstone Full Merino Leather interior, and 21 front, 22-inch rear M star spoke bicolor wheels. Due to its historic significance, this X5M Competition will remain at the factory and become part of the BMW historic collection.